Every morning, we look at something simple but powerful to kickstart our baby's day. And moms often ask me what should be the first food for my baby as soon as they gets up in the morning. So in this video, we are going to talk about what is the first food that you can give it for your baby to improve their gut power. Hello parents, this is Vishnu Tejasvi, your child nutrition educator. I talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. Let me tell you about a tiny spoon that makes a very huge difference. It's none other than curd. Yes, 1 spoon of curd every day in the morning can kickstart your baby's digestion and also their energy levels. Offer curd as the first food or just before the breakfast. A small spoon is enough. Make sure the curd is in room temperature and fresh. You can offer as it is, or if you want to add any jeera to it or any ajwain to it, it's your choice. It also enhances the taste and also gives extra digestion boost. And many of you might have this question that can we offer curd during cough and cold or fever or any illness? Yes, you can. And curd can be introduced for the babies above 6 months. So during solid starts, you can do this. If your baby is allergic to dairy or lactose intolerant, please check with your pediatrician. A spoon of curd in the morning may sound too simple, but it's one of the most underrated practices for the babies aged between 6 to 36 months. It supports digestion and boosts gut health. I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video.